Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle F1 channel. In this video, we are going to see Oracle 19C real application cluster rack, one node rack configuration and installation. In my previous video, this is rack real application cluster rack one node overview. That is the part one, and I am going to continue with the part two. In that part two, I am going to create Oracle virtual machine, Oracle Linux virtual machine. Two couple of virtual machine we need to create. First I will configure that one first node, and again I am going to clone that virtual machine for second node. So after that I'm going to install grid installation and RDBMS binary installation and rack one node configurations, database installation. Everything we are going to discuss and see in part by part. In this part 2 I am going to create Oracle uh, virtual machine in Oracle Linux 7.5. Let's go to that Oracle VirtualBox. I have already created these many VMs in my environment, in my lab environment. I'm going to create new VM. Click new. Give the VM name Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.5 underscore one node. So this is a VM name, and choose that path. I choose that path and Linux Oracle Linux 6.4, and I am giving that 5 GB of RAM. 5086. Create virtual disk for Oracle Linux installation and software installation. So I'll give 100 GB. So create as a dynamically allocated or fixed size also you can create. So it will take some time. The disk creation still is going on. Let's wait for a few minutes. The disk creation process gets completed. You can see here 100 GB allocated. Now we'll configure that machine. Click settings, system, floppy you can remove it. So network you can add, processor you can increase to, acceleration it's same thing. Come to display, it's same thing only. Remote display recording, storage you can add here that Oracle Linux VM. So we are going to install Oracle 7.5. So I am adding that ISO image. Audio network we need to add three network IPs, one for private, one for public, one for internet connectivity for Linux update. Okay, let me add first host only adapter. Okay, I will do it from here onwards and remove this one. I will add here host only adapter. Host only adapter VirtualBox adapter 2. Allow all, refresh that MAC addresses. Okay, the second one, internal network, private network, same thing, allow all, so refresh this one. Third one, bridged network, so this will go for wireless adapter, so allow all, refresh this MAC addresses. So I have configured three IP addresses. This is for public, this is for private, this is for internet. Okay, so I have configured three IP addresses, and we need to configure that shared folder. I am going to share my I kept all my Oracle Linux and Oracle database 12.1, 12.2, 19.3 versions. Everything I have placed in this folder, so I am sharing that folder. Read only auto mount. So auto mount we can enable. Click OK. So this is I am sharing the folder which I need to access that Oracle RDBMS binaries and the grid binaries. Okay, so everything we have configured right now. So you can general here bidirectional, you can click bidirectional, here nothing. So basic, this is the virtual name, type Linux, Oracle 64-bit, advanced, these both are bidirectional, desktop nothing, and system. I have motherboard configuration, base memory 5 GB I mentioned, optical hard disk, network, and processor I increased, I given 2 processor. So display it's as it is. Storage, this is for software installation, this is for OS installation and the software installations. Okay, this is 100 GB I chosen. For rack configuration we need to add shared storage. Once I will create that virtual machine with that installed Linux, after that I will create one virtual disk, virtual hard disk for shared. We need to clone, first we need to configure all this everything in this virtual machine, then only we will clone that this machine to next machine. So after that I will create that shared hard disk, and I will create that ASM disk. I will show you all everything in step by step. Hope you all everything you got cleared right now so far. Okay, let's go to that installation. We can start that installation now. Oracle Linux 7.5 we are going to install. Okay, we click OK. Now start. So this is that virtual machine creation, and on top of the virtual machine we are going to install Oracle Linux 7. So install. So click next, continue. Software installation server with GUI. So here we need to choose some system administrator, development tools, compatibility libraries, security tools. Java. So done. I will create the partition. Click, I will configure the partition. Done. Click standard partition. Add mount point. Seventy GB. Swap 8 GB. Root 2 GB. So host name serlab rack 1. Serlab rack we can give. So later we can configure that IP addresses assign, we can assign. Now we'll apply that host name serlab rack dot localhost local domain. Okay, done. So far we are creating only that virtual machine. Virtual machine, on top of virtual machine we are installing that Linux 7.5. So we are about to start that installation, begin installation. So now you can change password, root password. User creation and all we can do later. So the installation started. Now it's creating that what we have created, the mount points. It's creating and formatting now. Now that starting that package installation process, it will take some time because how many packages is going to install. After the installation gets completed, we need to do the post installation steps on Oracle Linux 7.5. After post installation steps completed, we need to install and configure for RAC related RPMs, and we need to set up that network, and we need to configure everything. So we'll go by one by one. So it is about 1427 RPM packages needs to be installed. So for 48 it's in process. So let's wait, get completed within, will take 30 to 45 minutes. Let's see. The Linux installation almost gets completed, and now it's performing post installation steps task. Let's wait for a few more minutes. That's this installation gets completed. After this, we need to reboot this machine and get post configuration take effects. So installation gets completed. Let's reboot. After rebooting, we need to validate that mount points we created, and we need to configure that network IP configuration. Actually, I have configured that IP configuration for private IP, public IP, and internet connection. So I have validated all the connectivity. So here it is. This is internet connectivity. This is for private IP. This is public IP. This is public IP. I have configured. Okay, and I have validated the internet connectivity. It's working fine. Why? Because internet validated internet connectivity. I'm updating that in the Linux now. I'm updating Linux. All the RPM packages will be updated. Latest one. So in this setup completed, we are good to go with that Oracle RAC installation prerequisites we need to fulfill. So with this, in this video I will complete, and in my next video I will start with that Oracle RAC OneNote RAC installation and configuration prerequisites for that Linux Oracle Linux 7.5. We will do that all that one by one in next video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting on my part 3 video, and I will be posting next few days. So this is going, I'm going to post as a part 2 video. Part 3, we will do that Oracle RAC configuration prerequisites. Part 4, grid installations. Part 5, RDBMS binary installation and RAC database configuration or RAC OneNote database configuration. So I'm going to put 5 videos in this topic, Oracle RAC OneNote configuration. Each and every step by step. Okay. Thanks for watching Oracle F1 channel. Kindly do visit and keep visiting this page for next videos, for upcoming videos for part 3, part 4, part 5. Thank you.